Hi Sam. Are you ready for another exciting word today?
Hi Alex. Absolutely, what's the word?
Today, we're learning
speziell,
Speziell.
What does that mean?
speziell,
means special or specific in English. It's commonly used when someone wants to highlight something unique or particular.
So, is it similar to the English word?
Special.
Yes, exactly. But be careful, as it can sometimes be confused with.
special,
In contexts where it means something quite different, like
peculiar,
Got it. What about the grammar for?
Speziell.
speziell,
is an adjective, so it doesn't have a plural form like nouns do. It describes nouns, and you can use it in different contexts. For example, you can say,
das ist ein spezielles Angebot.
which means, that is a special offer.
How about the comparative and superlative forms?
Good question. The comparative is,
Spezieller,
and the superlative is.
am speziellsten.
For example,
Das ist das Spezial-LST-Produkt.
means that is the most special product.
That's interesting. Where does the word
Speziell.
come from?
Speziell,
Comes from the Latin word,
Spezialis.
which means of a particular kind. It evolved through Old High German and Middle High German. The meaning has remained quite close to its original sense, which I find fascinating.
Wow, that's really cool.
Now, let's break the word down into its components.
Speziell,
Doesn't have a prefix or suffix. It's a complete word on its own, but you can remember it as relating to something specific or unique.
So it's like a Lego block that stands alone.
Exactly. And in German, when you describe something as,
speziell,
you're emphasizing its uniqueness.
Are there other similar words in German?
Yes. Here are some examples. First, let's look at words with the same root. You have,
Spezialist,
which means specialist, and
Spezialität,
meaning specialty. Both come from the same Latin root.
And what about words with different prefixes?
Sure. With the prefix, you have,
unspezifisch,
meaning nonspecific. Then there's
despezialisieren,
meaning to despecialize.
Wow, that's quite a few.
Yes. And if we look at compounds, you can find
Spezialangebot,
which means special offer, and
Spezialität,
which means specialty.
Can we practice using?
speziell,
In some sentences.
Absolutely. Imagine you're at a restaurant. You might say,
Ich hätte gerne das spezielle Gericht.
which means I would like the special dish. Can you try making a sentence?
ich möchte ein spezielles Getränk.
Perfect. That means I would like a special drink. Let's try another situation. How about at work? You could say,
Dieses Projekt ist speziell für unsere Kunden.
meaning this project is specifically for our clients.
Okay.
Dieses Projekt ist speziell für unsere Kunden.
Great job. One more situation could be while traveling. You could say,
Ich habe ein spezielles Interesse an der Kultur.
which means I have a special interest in the culture.
Got it. I can say,
Ich habe ein spezielles Interesse an der Musik.
Exactly. Now, as for gender,
Speziell.
doesn't have a gender since it's an adjective. But when you use it with a noun, like
Das spezielle Angebot.
you remember that the noun Angebot is neuter.
that's a good tip.
Usage-wise,
Speziell.
is informal and formal. You might say,
Spezielles Angebot. Spezieller Anlass.
meaning special event. Be careful not to confuse it with,
Besonders.
which also means special but in a more general sense.
I see. What are some collocations with?
Speziell.
You can say,
Speziell für. Speziell in. Speziell geeignet.
and,
Speziell angefertigt.
Those are helpful. Can you give me some example sentences using?
Speziell.
sure. Here are a few.
Das ist ein spezielles Gefühl.
Means that is a special feeling. Or,
Sie hat ein spezielles Talent.
meaning she has a special talent.
And,
Das spezielle Event war ein Erfolg.
means the special event was a success, right?
Exactly. You're getting it. Let's do a quick recall check. What does
Speziell.
mean?
It means special or specific.
Great. What are its comparative and superlative forms?
Spezieller.
And,
Am speziellsten.
Good. Can you give me an example sentence with?
Speziell.
Das ist ein spezielles Angebot.
Perfect. What's the origin of?
Speziell.
it comes from the Latin word.
Spezialis.
Excellent. Last question is
speziell,
formal or informal.
It can be both.
Well done, Sam. You've grasped this word really well. Remember,
speziell,
can help you highlight things that are unique or particular. Keep practicing, and you'll use it effortlessly.
Thanks, Alex. I'm excited to use it in conversations.